Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can install the Chrome browser into your Windows. So Chrome browser, this is one of the commonly used browser nowadays, and which is a fast web browser, also a secure web browser. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Edge. Click on Microsoft Edge under the best match. Maximize the Microsoft Edge window. Then here, simply type in the search bar Chrome download. It's Chrome download. Hit enter. Now scroll down and you'll find this option www.google.com. Google Chrome, download the fast, secure web browser built to be yours. Click on that. Then you will find this download Chrome button. Click on that. And the setup file will be downloaded into your Windows. And once done, click on that and close the Edge browser. And we just have to wait for the installation process to be successful. So let's just wait in a while. Now once done, then you just need to click on the sign in option. Now let's maximize this. Then here, just simply type your email. So let me just quickly type it. Click on next. Let me just type my password. Then click on no thanks. Then scroll down and you'll find got it. Click on that and then here it is. You can now enjoy your Google Chrome, the fast, secure web browser built to be yours. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.